Gentile, black man, white. We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. We don't want to hate and despise one another. In this world there's room for everyone, and the good earth is rich. Think too much and feel too little.
Chikmagalur is the birthplace of coffee in India. Legend has it that Hazrat Shah Janab Allama Katabi, also known as Baba Budan, smuggled 7 seeds of coffee from the port of Mocha in Yemen while he was returning from Mecca. This is back in the 16th century when coffee was exported to different parts of the world in roasted or baked form, so that no one could grow their own and had to buy it from the Yemenis. After returning home, Baba Budan planted these seeds on the slopes of Chandragiri Hills in Kadur district of Karnataka. It seems Mysore Maharaja Krishna Rajavodaya III and even Tipu Sultan took interest in growing coffee around these areas. One small tip before I let you enjoy the rest of the video: make sure you book a coffee plantation in advance before you visit it. Cheers.